y'all can see me. It is right now 6:53 in the morning, and I'm up because I gotta take my husband to his truck. Hey, Stink. Yeah, feeling like, what the heck is going on? Yeah, I gotta take my husband to his truck. Let me turn this darn fan off because this thing probably loud as heck. So, my lips dry. Excuse my voice. About to get in the car and come back a little later. Just let y'all know what's going on. I guess. Tired. It's looking like my camera is acting like you want to do something now, so that's good. I'm on my camera now. Yeah, I'm about to clean up this house. I'm gonna go ahead and do it because it's getting on my nerves. Be careful, Stink. It's getting on my nerves now. It's getting on my nerves, so I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it up. Suck it up, clean it up, and just be done. So I can relax for the rest of the day. Yeah, who doesn't love relaxation? So let's get to it. It's really getting to the point where all my vlogs are vlogs of me cleaning stuff. What has the world come to, Stink? What has the world come to? One pose? That's not what I meant by pose. You gonna help me clean? Cookie? I ain't say nothing about no cookie. You wanna go to sleep? You wanna put your toy in your room? Go push it. Go ahead. Child, I said put it in your room, not play with it. Child, you said I put that toy in your room. In your room. Come on. Bring the toy. Grab your toy. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Come on, bring it back this way. Bring your toy, Stink. Bring your toy. What? What? You got something to say? Oh, okay. I thought you had something to say. Anyways, I'm trying to teach you a little bit how to clean up. Toy. Yeah, I asked you to bring it in your room. And you want to play with it. So I had to take it upon myself and bring it in your room. By myself. Okay. Now it's where it belongs. Okay? I guess that's confirmation. He's shaking his head. Okay. I guess that's confirmation. What? Why you have that? Why don't you play with your toys? Why you want to play with stuff you ain't supposed to? Huh? Little boy. Why you don't play with your toys? Why you always gotta play with stuff that you ain't supposed to play with? Oh, really? Oh, okay. Well, come here. Bring that to me. That's not your toy. Let me have it. Thank you. You gonna get your block? You wanna get your block off the floor? Good job. You can play with that, Stink. This boy too smart for his own good. I don't even know. This came from the bottom of our... Came from the bottom of our bed. What you gotta say for yourself? Damn, this house is a mess. This house is a mess. I can't deal. I can't deal. Who you yelling at? You yelling at me? What you yelling at me for? Huh? Cause you want to. Well, you kiss your mother with that mouth? You can keep it. I don't want it. That's yours. Bye. Yours. It's yours. I promise it's yours. I'll be back after. What do you say? We'll be back after these messages. Yeah, that's what they say. DJ, you gonna knock all the clothes on the floor? You want me to fold these clothes up? Huh? Who you beating up? Hey, look, your pants. You wanna fold them up? You gonna fold up your clothes? Fold your pants? You gonna fold them? You gonna put them on? Okay.
Wait.
You gonna put them on?
But I think.
Oh, you just gonna carry them with you? Okay. You peek around the corner. That's not what you're supposed to do with them. You gonna wear them on your head? Oh, around your neck. Okay. You folded them? Thank you. Oh, not yet? Okay. Dang. This about to be a long vlog, y'all. I clean up, he mess up. My job is to clean, his job is to mess. I guess that's what's... I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm so tired. I can't even think straight. I'm about to go put these clothes up, clean up the kitchen, and then lay my butt down for the rest of the day. I'll probably come back when I'm doing something, because I'm tired. And he's full of energy. Be careful. Thank you. Get off the couch first. Get down. You get down? Need help? There you go. There, want your toy back? There you go. Alright, I'm about to cut this camera off for a little bit. I'll be back later because I do have to go to the store, so which I don't really want to do, but I have to because he needs some milk and we need some food for the house. Kind of, sort of. More so I want food for the house, but he definitely needs some milk and some stuff to eat, so I'll be back later, y'all.